Hello students, welcome back to Artsal Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the questions asked in MSBT exam on Door to Mentor lesson. The first question was asked for 4 marks. State the 4 qualities of Mr. Lal that have inspired you. This question was asked in summer 2019 exam for 4 marks. The 4 qualities of Mr. Lal that has inspired you. The answer of this question is qualities of Mr. Lal that have inspired me are as follow. Number first, basic knowledge and skills. First qualities of Mr. Lal is basic knowledge and skills. Mr. Lal was a doer. He used to do everything including coding, system architecture, accounting, administration, back office or business development. The second quality was excellent manager. First quality basic knowledge and skills, and second quality excellent manager. Mr. Lal was an excellent manager where he used to manage people. For him, managing people meant teaching them work with balancing their egos. Number third quality, effective leader. First was basic knowledge and skills, second excellent manager, and third effective leader. Mr. Lal became an effective leader because he was a good doer and popular manager. Every manager reported to him. He led the manager and inspired them to reach the goal of the organization. Number fourth quality is brilliant professional. Mr. Lal was a very talented person. He could understand the entire issue in a minute to a major teaching glitch and gave simple and short instructions. There are 4 qualities for 4 marks. Number first, basic knowledge and skills. Number second, excellent manager. Number third, effective leader. Number fourth, brilliant professional. The first question was 4 qualities of Mr. Lal that have inspired you. Asked for 4 marks in summer 2019 exam. Those 4 qualities of Mr. Lal are basic knowledge and skills, excellent manager, effective leader, and brilliant professional. Next question was asked in winter 2018 exam for 2 marks. Describe the role of Mr. Lal as a doer in the organization. Describe the role of Mr. Lal as a doer in the organization for 2 marks in winter 2018 exam. Answer of this question is, when Lal started the organization, he was a doer in the organization. He used to do everything, coding, system architecture, accounting, administration, back office or business development. He was solely responsible for these activities. The doer phase helped him to sustain as he had to curtail costs. It also helped him to know all the nuances of the business. As he said, without doer stage, he would have never understood higher management thoughts. Next question was asked for 2 marks. What are the various stages in Mr. Lal's corporate life? What are the various stages in Mr. Lal's corporate life? Asked in winter 2017 exam for 2 marks. The answer of this question is, Lal underwent various stages in his corporate life. He was a doer and grew up to be a manager. This graduated to the role of a leader, and finally he became a mentor. First he was a doer, then grew up to be manager, then mentor, then leader, and finally he became the mentor. There are 4 stages in his life when he run his organization. Next question was asked for 4 marks. What is the importance of the manager stage in life of the entrepreneur? What is the importance of manager stage in the life of an entrepreneur? For 4 marks, asked in winter 2017 exam. Answer of this question is, the manager stage in the life of an entrepreneur teaches him or her to manage people, perfectly. The manager stage helps to teach people their work coupled with balancing their egos. It makes the manager a good motivator. As a manager, a person becomes active listener and understands the problem of employees. He or she treats them with respect and values their opinions. Thus, he or she facilitates respect. The manager delegates work and monitors the work progress. He or she leads the employees to reach the goal of the organization. Manager motivates and guides them. This stage also helps the entrepreneur to become an effective leader. What is the importance of the manager stage in the life of an entrepreneur? This question was asked in winter 2017 exam for 4 marks. The manager stage in the life of an entrepreneur teaches him or her to manage people perfectly. The manager stage helps to teach people their work coupled with balancing their egos. It makes the manager a good motivator. As a manager, a person becomes active listener and understands the problems of employees. He or she treats them with respect and values their opinions. Thus, he or she facilitates respect. The manager delegates work and monitors the work progress. He or she leads the employees to reach the goals of organization. Manager motivates and guides them. This stage also helps the entrepreneur to become an effective leader. Those questions were asked till now in MSBT exam. Let's see another questions. Explain the term doer and mentor. Doer means he is the person who does something, a person who acts rather than merely talking or thinking. Or mentor, he is an experienced and trusted advisor. He is a guide, counselor. Explain the term delegator and a leader. Delegator means he is a person who is appointed to act for other person. He is an elected official. Leader, he is a person who leads or commands a group of organization or country. He is the chief head of the organization or a country. Express your views or ideas. Planning for success. You should focus on your goal. While planning for success, you have to develop new skills. One should also do planning for success. You should also take the guidance of parents and successful persons. Concentrate on your strong mind and our promise. Make an action plan. Then express your views, ideas on entrepreneurship. It is a process of designing and running a new business. It offers product or its service. It is the capacity of developing, organizing and a business. It also involves high risks. It needs funds, good management, marketing, etc. He should always develop a new product or service according to demand. An entrepreneur should have risk taking ability, leadership, focus on a goal, self-improvement. State the various stages in Mr. Lal's life. Simple living but high thinking, hardworking, skill of architecture, accounting and administration, management skills, positive mindset, leadership quality, compassionate, selflessness and a visionary nature. Those questions are important for MSBT exam. So today here we have discussed some important questions in doer to mentor lesson. The most important question, what types of role, what types of his manager will perform. Such questions we have discussed in today's lesson. So I will stop here. Thank you very much.